Welcome back, guys. Today, we're exploring 15 brand new Amazon home gadgets and space-saving solutions you need to see. From genius cleaning tools to smart storage hacks, these must-have products will transform your home. Check out the product links in the description to grab your favorites. This heated towel rack brings luxury and comfort to your daily routine. Designed to keep your towels warm and dry, it provides a spa-like experience right in your home. With fast heating technology and energy-efficient operation, this sleek and stylish towel rack ensures cozy, fresh towels every time you step out of the shower. Perfect for bathrooms, laundry rooms, or even mudrooms, it helps prevent dampness and mildew while adding a touch of modern elegance to your space. Easy to install and built with durable materials, this heated towel rack is the perfect blend of functionality and sophistication. This breakfast maker station is your all-in-one solution for quick, delicious, and hassle-free mornings. Designed for convenience, this compact station features a non-stick griddle, a toaster oven, and a coffee maker, allowing you to cook, toast, and brew simultaneously. The healthy ceramic non-stick coating ensures easy food release and effortless cleaning, while the toaster oven is perfect for baking, reheating, or making crispy toast. The built-in coffee maker brews fresh, aromatic coffee to kickstart your day. Ideal for small kitchens, dorms, and RVs, this breakfast maker brings efficiency and style to every morning routine. These bed sheet straps are the ultimate solution to keep your sheets snug and secure all night long. Designed with heavy-duty elastic and strong metal clips, these straps provide a firm grip on your bed sheets, preventing them from slipping or bunching up. The adjustable length allows for a perfect fit on all mattress sizes, from twin to king. Whether you toss and turn or have a restless sleeper at home, these durable sheet straps ensure a smooth and wrinkle-free bed every time. Say goodbye to loose, messy sheets and enjoy a neat, comfortable sleeping experience with these bedsheet straps. These hanger connector hooks are the perfect space-saving solution for your closet. Designed to maximize vertical storage, these durable hooks allow you to connect multiple hangers, keeping your wardrobe organized and clutter-free. Made from high-quality, sturdy plastic, they securely hold clothes without bending or breaking. Whether you're looking to optimize small spaces or neatly arrange outfits, these connector hooks offer a practical and efficient way to expand your closet capacity. Ideal for home use, dorm rooms, or retail displays, they help you make the most of every inch of hanging space. This dustpan set is designed for effortless and efficient cleaning. Featuring self-cleaning dustpan teeth, it easily removes hair and debris from the broom bristles, keeping your hands mess-free. The extended handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing the need to bend over, making it perfect for home, office, or kitchen use. The broom's high-quality, dense bristles effectively capture dust and dirt, while the large-capacity dustpan securely locks in debris without spilling. Built with durability in mind, this set is a must-have for hassle-free sweeping. This portable steam sauna brings the luxury of a spa experience to your home. Designed for relaxation and detoxification, this portable sauna provides soothing steam therapy to help you unwind, relieve muscle tension, and promote overall well-being. With Bluetooth control, you can easily adjust temperature and time settings without leaving the comfort of your seat. The spacious yet foldable design ensures convenience, making it easy to set up and store. Perfect for enhancing circulation, detoxifying the body, and promoting relaxation, this steam sauna is an excellent addition to your wellness routine. This stainless steel vegetable chopped is designed to make your food preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, this upgraded chopper ensures durability, sharp precision, and effortless chopping for vegetables, fruits, nuts, and more. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, while the enhanced mechanism delivers consistent cuts with minimal effort. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this kitchen essential saves time and enhances your cooking experience. This smart cutting knife board is the ultimate kitchen companion designed for precision, hygiene, and convenience. Featuring a multifunctional smart cutting board with built-in technology, this set enhances food preparation like never before. The durable, non-slip cutting board ensures safety, while the high-quality knives provide effortless slicing, dicing, and chopping. With innovative features such as antibacterial surfaces, integrated measurement guides, and a sleek, modern design, this set is perfect for home chefs and culinary enthusiasts. Elevate your cooking experience with this smart knife set, where smart meets efficiency in the kitchen. This smart refrigerator device is the ultimate solution to keep your fridge fresh and your food lasting longer. Designed with advanced air purification technology, it eliminates odors, reduces bacteria, and slows down food spoilage by neutralizing ethylene gas. This smart device monitors temperature and humidity, ensuring optimal storage conditions while seamlessly connecting to your smartphone for real-time updates. Say goodbye to unpleasant fridge smells and wasted groceries. Upgrade to a cleaner, healthier refrigerator with this shelfie refrigerator device. This pasta strainer is the ultimate kitchen essential for effortless straining. Designed for convenience, it securely clips onto pots, making draining pasta, vegetables, and more a hassle-free task. Crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant materials, it ensures durability and safety while handling hot liquids. The compact design eliminates the need for bulky colanders, saving space in your kitchen. With its universal fit, this strainer adapts to various pot sizes, providing a mess-free and efficient solution for everyday cooking. Simplify your kitchen routine with this innovative clip-on strainer. This folding dining table is the perfect space-saving solution for any home. Designed for versatility, it easily transforms from a compact console table to a spacious dining surface, making it ideal for small apartments, kitchens, or multifunctional spaces. The built-in storage rack provides extra convenience, allowing you to keep dining essentials, books, or decor neatly organized. Crafted with a sturdy frame and a sleek modern finish, this table combines durability with style, seamlessly blending into any interior. Whether you're hosting a meal or need extra workspace, this foldable dining table offers functionality without compromising on elegance. This egg cracker and separator is the ultimate kitchen tool for effortless egg handling. Designed for precision and convenience, this high-quality stainless steel gadget allows you to crack eggs perfectly without any mess or shell fragments. Simply place the egg in the holder, squeeze the handle, and watch as it cracks cleanly in seconds. The built-in separator ensures easy separation of egg whites and yolks, making it ideal for baking, cooking, and meal prep. Durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean, this egg cracker is a must-have for every kitchen. This dumpling maker is your ultimate kitchen companion for effortlessly creating delicious homemade dumplings, baozi, and momo. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this machine streamlines the process, allowing you to make perfectly shaped dumplings in seconds. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, its user-friendly design ensures consistent results with minimal effort. Elevate your cooking experience and enjoy fresh, homemade dumplings anytime with this must-have dumpling maker. And there you have it. Which city are you watching this video from? Drop it in the comments.